Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. Lovely to see you. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I am bringing you the last Boxy Luxe. Boxycharm Luxe. I love it. I hope. From now on, Boxycharm and Ipsy are merging, and Boxy Luxe will be the icon box on the Ipsy side. The Ipsy X will be icon box. So let's get in here and see how it is. There's a lot of stuff in here. And see, it is the Boxy Luxe. There's a lot of stuff. My desk is not that big. But let's see, is there a card? It doesn't tell me what's in the box or how much it's worth. But I've watched some unboxings and I know some prices a little bit. A little bit of love goes a long, long way. I wish I had a list of what's in here and the prices. That would be nice. Maybe there is. I'm just going to root around. I don't see it. Oh, Lord. First off is something that I've already got I got it from Ipsy, I think. Is the Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter from Truly. Coconut Rose and Shea Butter Vegan Collagen Booster Algae Extract Boost. And it is really nice, I'm sure. It smells straight up like a frickin' rose. Like a fake rose. But that's what it's supposed to smell like. So that's cool. Very nice. And this is like 20-something dollars. I'm sad that I won't be able to give you the value. Then we have from MAC something I never use, and that is fake lashes. But they look really nice. And these are at least 20 bucks or something. It's very nice. Fake lashes. Boop, 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 boop. Then we have tattoo pencil liner from KVD Beauty, and this is in the color. Let me get my magnifying glass out. Trooper Black. We always love a black pencil eyeliner. I usually use liquid eyeliners, but it's nice to have a nice pencil. And you know, KVD makes really great eyeliners. Whew. And it's just black. Black as the night. Black as my heart. So that's cool. That's at least $22. Next up we have from Uoma, and it is the Drama Bomb Extended Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. And Uoma, and this is in a black color called Kem. K-E-M. Yeah, Kem, because it wouldn't be Keem, because it's, but it's I'm not going to open the mascara because it starts a clock on it, but it's a very nice luxury component. It feels got a little weight to it. And that's at least 20-something dollars. Nice. Mascara, eyeliner, like you can do almost the whole face with this so far. Then we have, which is super nice, from Kate Somerville. It is the Hydracate Recharging Serum. And this is a big ticket item. I don't know, it's probably at least 50 bucks. And it is in beautiful packaging. I'm not gonna squirt it because I have so many moisturizers that I really don't need another one, but my Macari might. Ha ha ha. Love my Macari. Then we have a palette, and I'm very excited about this because I love me some Pat McGrath. And this is the Pat McGrath Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette, Nude Allure. And a lot of her palettes have a Nude Allure. Oh, come on, man. I don't want to break a nail. or re-break a nail. And this looks really nice. I love Pat McGrath stuff. I've got several things. It is a beautiful nude palette. Mostly shimmers, one matte, which is fine with me. I love a shimmer. That would look great today if I didn't already have the Italian Spritz eyeshadow palette on from Too Faced, which is pretty good. So we got eyeshadow palette, which is fantastic. From Iconic London, we have the multi-use lip and cheek palette. And let's see if we can't get this. I have to use my scissors. Scissors, so fun to say when you have a little lisp. All right, now we're going to see what this is all about. Iconic. And it looks to be a cream palette. I'm not going to take the plastic cover off. So this would be a great blush, or if you could use a pencil or a lip brush to get that on your lips, and you can match your cheeks, those are very pretty colors. That's probably 50 bucks. I'm just guessing because they didn't give me a card. I'm so pitiful. And this is from Verb. It's the Moringa Jojoba Treatment Oil. And that is very nice. And it's this do-it-all serum is built to hit the reset button on damaged, brittle hair and dry scalp. This pure silicone-free blend nourishes and balances the scalp while sealing in moisture back into all hair types. Rich in fatty acids, moringa oil works as a deep treatment to hydrate and smooth hair shaft. Jojoba works to repair and moisturize, visibly reduce the signs of damage and split ends. Because nothing will make you get rid of split ends other than a little chop. So this is cool. Little hair serum action. And it's in a nice glass bottle. And Verb is some really great hair care products. So that's very exciting. Then we have from LYS a complexion brush duo. And I like LYS stuff. It's pretty cool. How do you open this? That's the big question. How do you get into this mother? How do you open this mother up? Let's see if I can do it from this end. Gonna turn this mother out. Gonna turn this mother out. Aha! It's a tricky box. This is hard. Do I care about these brushes? Probably not. But they are beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not going to take the little plastic thing off because it keeps their shape, but they feel, I'll slide it down a little bit. They feel very soft. Feels very soft. I don't want to contaminate these brushes with all my finger oils. And then we have another, like one's a blush brush. This is a foundation brush. So that's very nice. And that's probably at least $30 or $40 with the brushes. So we got a lot of stuff in this Luxe. And I'm sad that this is the last Luxe, but it's, you know, overall it's a good box. So we've got some brushes. We've got a hair serum. We've got a palette for your eyes and a palette for your lips and cheeks. We've got a moisturizer. We've got a fancy mascara. We've got a fancy eyeliner. We have some eyelashes. And we've got some body butter. So this overall is a good box. What the value is? It's supposed to be like 300 bucks or something. I'm sure it makes that round nicely with a nice moisturizer. And if you add everything up, I'm sure it's a great value. But I'm going to miss this box. I hope the icon is good. But I'm going to say goodbye, Luxe. It was good to know you. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.